I want to encourage you, if you are a teacher or a parent of children or students in elementary school, this actually doesn't matter what age the student is, but I want to encourage you as we get deeper into testing season to stay encouraged, to remain positive and confident in what you taught your students, what you taught your children, and what they've learned. Let's think about progress over perfection. Are they better than they were yesterday? Are they better than they were last week? Last month, 6 months ago, the beginning of the school year, or even last year? And when I say better, it doesn't have to be this grand thing of being better, but like, can they do something more efficiently, maybe faster, maybe not faster, but they can complete their work more than they could before. Continue to build positive experiences for them at home and at school in the classroom so that they feel good about what they're learning, what they're practicing. Something to remain positive and encouraged about is if students have learned a new skill this year, and I'm thinking specifically about math. I make videos and content for elementary math topics for teachers and parents to help them better understand what their students need to know. Think about, are they doing better than they were before? So what if they have a math problem, and yeah, they might still make a mistake, but are they getting farther along in that problem than they did before? Did they make multiple errors in the problem? Now you got it down to just one error that you can work on that they can still get better with. Are they feeling more confident about completing this problem? Are they starting the problem on their own when before you had to assist them and give them guidance on how to get started with the problem? Are they showing their work when before they tried to do everything in their head, or they didn't try at all? So now they're working through the problem, they're showing their thinking on their paper. Yes, they might still make a mistake, but now you guys can talk about what errors they made and how they can get better. Another big one is, can they receive feedback now? At this time, when before they would shut down anytime they realized they got a problem incorrect, or if you had to ask them a follow-up question, they kind of shut down because they're like, well, if you're asking me a question, then it must be wrong. It's not. So are they better now than they were before? Let's focus on that. Let's celebrate the progress that they have made throughout this school year, even if it didn't start until January, if it didn't start until October, if it didn't start until last week. Let's focus on that progress that they have made, whatever percent. It could be 1% better, they could be 50% better than they were, they could be 90% better than they were before. Let's celebrate that. Another one to focus on is, are they participating more during class, during instruction? Are they raising their hand to answer questions? Are they more confident in their work now? Parents, a big one for you is like when you ask your child about how school was or what they learned at school, are they able to explain more of what they're learning about in school? Are they trying more? Maybe the beginning of the year you got one word answers if you got an answer at all, but now can they tell you a little bit about what they're doing in class, what they've learned, what they accomplished? There's so many things that can be focused on and highlighted. Just remain positive in what they're doing, what you've taught them, what you've practiced with them, the conversations that you had, and how they will continue to grow from what they've learned so far. Celebrate all the small wins when you can, so students continue to feel encouraged to try and not give up.